Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best low-angle jack plane is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any woodworker's arsenal, offering unparalleled control and precision for tasks ranging from fine shaving and chamfering to fitting joints and smoothing surfaces, making it an essential companion for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic hobbyists seeking to elevate their woodworking projects with clean, accurate results. Number 5. Amazon Basics No. 4 Adjustable Bench Hand Planer. Achieve accurate smoothing, trimming, and finishing of wood surfaces. Its adjustable mouth and depth gauge allow for precise control over your cuts. Built with a durable cast iron body, this tool offers stability and long-lasting performance. It reduces vibration for cleaner cuts and a professional finish. Its ergonomic design, with front and rear handles, provides improved control and comfort. It's ideal for both serious woodworking and hobbyists during extended use. Fine-tune the blade position and depth with simple adjustment screws and a lever cap. The user manual provides guidance for maintaining the sole flat for optimal results. This hand plane delivers exceptional value and performance for various tasks. It's a strong addition to any workshop, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. What we like. This tool offers excellent precision with its adjustable mouth and depth gauge for accurate smoothing. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures stability and long-lasting performance. If you are a DIYer or a professional looking for a reliable plane for furniture, cabinetry, or general woodworking, this is a great value option. What people say. The sole is perfectly flat and the blade is sharp out of the box. The adjustable mouth is a great feature, allowing for fine shavings. It has a comfortable grip and is well balanced for extended use. Number 4. Woodworking Hand Planer. Achieve perfect shapes and dimensions with this premium hand planer. It's the ideal tool for giving your wood projects a flawless final finish. Experience greater accuracy and confidence with its precision ground cutter. Made from high-quality steel, it's sharper, more durable, and designed for minimal chatter. Crafted with a sturdy one-piece casting for the frog and base, this tool is built to last. Cleaning is simple, as the blade can be detached with a hammer. Its contoured handle fits comfortably in your hand, offering easy control. The compact size ensures it fits anywhere, keeping your workspace neat. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this hand plane is perfect for a wide range of woodworking tasks. It's ideal for cutting, polishing, and deburring surfaces. What we like. Experience greater control and accuracy with its one-piece cast frog and base, paired with a sharper, durable steel blade. The contoured handle ensures comfort during use. If you're a woodworker who values a tool that's easy to handle and provides a precise finish, especially for trimming and surface smoothing, this planer is an excellent choice. What people say. The plane has a very comfortable grip and is easy to maneuver. It is well balanced and feels solid in the hand, making it great for precise work. The blade is sharp out of the box and holds an edge well, requiring minimal adjustment. Number 3. Spear & Jackson CJP5 Jack Plane. Introducing the Spear & Jackson CJP5 Jack Plane, your essential tool for woodworking. It's designed for the crucial first step in shaping rough timber. Crafted with a robust cast iron body, this plane is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures reliability for all your projects. Experience superior performance with its precision milled base and faces. This ensures accuracy and a smooth finish every time you use it. It features a sharp 2-inch, 50 mm, wide high-carbon steel blade. This provides excellent cutting power for efficient work. Achieve the perfect cut with the brass adjusting screw. This allows for fine-tuning of the blade depth for ultimate control. Keep your tool in top condition with readily available replacement blades. Part number CJP5 blade ensures you can maintain its performance for years to come. What we like. This plane is ideal for the initial preparation of rough timber, featuring a high-carbon steel blade and a brass adjusting screw for fine-tuning. If you often work with rough lumber and need a tool that can handle the initial stages of shaping and smoothing, this is a solid, dependable option. What people say. The plane is well machined and the sole is perfectly flat. The adjustable mouth is a great feature, allowing for very fine shavings. It holds its edge extremely well and is easy to sharpen. Number 2. STANLEY Low Angle Hand Planer Number 60-12. Experience superior precision with a base and frog cast as one solid piece. This design ensures unwavering accuracy for all your planing tasks. Feel the difference with a heavier body designed to boost your performance. It provides the stability and momentum needed for efficient work. Crafted from durable iron casting, this tool is built for longevity. Its robust construction guarantees weight and resilience for years of use. The base is precision machined to exacting standards, guaranteeing a perfectly flat surface. This attention to detail ensures flawless results every time. Discover the STANLEY Low Angle Hand Planer, Model 60-12. It combines accuracy, performance, and durability for the discerning woodworker. What we like. Designed with a low angle and a heavier cast iron body, this plane offers increased performance and accuracy. The base and frog are cast as one piece for enhanced precision. If you're looking for a plane that excels at reducing tear out on difficult grain and provides a smooth finish with its added weight, this is the one to consider. What people say. The plane is well machined and the sole is perfectly flat. The adjustable mouth is a great feature, allowing for very fine shavings. It holds an edge very well and is easy to sharpen. Number 1. Woodriver Ultimate Bench Plane Kit. Introducing the Woodriver Ultimate Bench Plane Kit, a collection designed for the discerning woodworker. This set includes 4 essential hand planes, built upon the renowned bedrock design. You'll receive our number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6 hand planes, providing versatility for a wide range of tasks. Each tool is crafted for precision and durability. These planes are built to last for generations, embodying heirloom quality. Invest in tools that will become treasured family heirlooms. Experience substantial savings with this comprehensive kit. It's an opportunity to acquire top-tier tools at an exceptional value. Proudly made by Woodcraft, your trusted partner in woodworking. We are America's leading supplier, dedicated to providing high-quality tools and materials. Our products are designed to help you make woodwork effortlessly. Explore our extensive range of tools, supplies, and project plans to elevate your craft. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of 4 planes based on the classic bedrock design, offering heirloom quality. If you are a serious woodworker or collector who desires a complete, high-quality set of bench planes for a wide range of tasks, from fine finishing to heavy stock removal, this kit is an exceptional investment. What people say. The plane is well machined and the sole is perfectly flat. The adjustable mouth is a great feature, allowing for very fine shavings. It holds an edge very well and is easy to sharpen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.